Hello guys, this is me Sring Dawa. Welcome to Dawa Production. So today I've invited a special student and guest from MSU, and her name is none other than Yaksha. She is currently doing second year bachelor's in English, and she will be speaking about the Tibetan identity.
Hello everyone, this is Yaksha, second year English student from Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. So today I am going to talk about the real identity and the tradition of the Tibetan culture and the tradition of Tibet. As you all can see me in the traditional dress of Tibet, when my classmate was helping me out to wear this dress, I just feel like I'm blessed. I always wanted to wear something like this, and this is not just a dress, this is not just a piece of cloth or anything else. This is something you can feel the essence of Tibet. You can face the culture of Tibet. You can get the that harmony, that peace, and that the meditation feeling in this dress when you wear it, and it is totally something I never felt like this. This feeling is undescribable. So when we hear the word Tibet, we just start assuming the peace, the meditation, for of course Dalai Lama, 14th Dalai Lama. So the reason behind occupying Tibet is you all have heard about the first pole, the second pole, but where is the third pole? The third pole is in Tibet. Tibet, because of that third pole, more than 1 billion people are getting the water supply from the Tibet. And Tibet is not just important for Tibetans only. Why I am talking, I am basically Indian, but why I start feeling for the Tibet is Tibet is not just important for Tibetan, it is also important for Indians, because the Chinese government is trying to be in India or to get the land of India just by entering it from the boundaries. Tibet is the main source. Tibet is the main reasons why didn't the Chinese government yet enter the India. And as they have occupied the whole Tibet, they will try to get into India as well, and this is a serious issue, and this should be seen by all the Indians, that independence of Tibetans, Tibetans की आज़ादी सिर्फ Tibetans के लिए नहीं है, तिबेट की आज़ादी हिंदुस्तान के लिए भी उतनी ही ज़्यादा मायने रखती है जितनी कि एक Tibetan के लिए, बिकॉज जो भी ओरिजिनेटेड हमारी बड़ी नदियाँ हैं, द रिवर्स, द ब्रह्मपुत्रा, गंगा आर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम Tibet, and as the Chinese government is occupied the Tibet, हम सबको पता है उन्होंने वहाँ पर डैम बना दिया है, जिसकी वजह से अननेसेसरी फ्लूड हमारे कंट्री में आ रहा है, बिकॉज that is in the hand of Chinese government. Whenever they want to leave the water, they just throw it in India, and whenever they need the water, they just stop the source of water coming to India. So तिबेट की आज़ादी सिर्फ तिबेट की नहीं है, तिबेट की आज़ादी हम सब की है, और हम सब के सिर्फ हम सब की नहीं पूरी दुनिया की है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर इलीगल तरीके से जो है ज़मीन को ख़राब किया जा रहा है चाइनीज़ गवर्नमेंट के ज़रिए, जिसकी वजह से जो थर्ड पोल है उसको डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है, और पूरी दुनिया का क्लाइमेट इफेक्ट the world is talking about climate strike, global climate, but why don't we talk about Tibet? Because the major effect of climate has been taking place in Tibet. So we have to talk about the Tibet climate as well. And जैसे कि हम सब ने अभी नए हमारे मैप्स में देख रहे हैं, हम ऊपर देखते हैं इंडिया के बाजू में चाइना है, एंड उसमें लिखा हुआ होता है ब्रैकेट में तिबेट द पार्ट ऑफ चाइना. नो, तिबेट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ चाइना. तिबेट इज होल डिफरेंट कंट्री. 10 साल लगे थे चाइनीज़ गवर्नमेंट को तिबेट को ऑक्यूपाई करने में. दे हैव स्टार्टेड ऑक्यूपाइंग, एंटरिंग द तिबेट इन 1949, एंड दे हैव ऑक्यूपाइड द होल तिबेट इन 1959. 10 सालों के बाद, और अभी 60 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए, तिबेट इज़ बिन एनकेज्ड फ्रॉम चाइनीज़ गवर्नमेंट, बट स्टिल You guys are seeing me wearing the Tibetan dress. You can find Tibetans everywhere. You can find the Tibetan culture. Even the Tibet is one of the most demanding place for travel lovers. Tibet is something more than that. You all think that Tibet have that beautiful landscape, Tibet have a third pole, but actually Tibet is growing. No, because of the Chinese occupation, the Chinese government has restricted the Tibetans that they cannot speak in Tibetan language, they cannot sing their Tibetan national anthem, they can't perform their rituals, Tibetan Buddhist rituals. So क्या हम इंडियंस हैं, क्या हमें अगर कोई अलाव करेगा टू कि हम अपने कल्चर को नहीं रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते, हम हमारी मातृभाषा में नहीं बोल सकते, हम हमारे देश के राष्ट्रगीत को नहीं गा सकते, सो इज़ इट ओके फॉर अस? नो, it is not. And this is same thing happening to the all Tibetan living in Tibet region. The Chinese government is trying to change their mindset and trying to change their identity, their actual identity. But one thing I want to say is they can't change the tradition. Yes, maybe they can change some of them people, they can change some of the children getting the Chinese education, they can change their traditional things taking place in the Tibet region, but they can't erase the actual identity of Tibet, because Tibetan culture is not something that can be erased so easily. The culture is more than 300 years old, more than 300 years, if I am not wrong. So this culture cannot be denied, that this culture cannot be erased. This culture is something we all should praise. This culture is like, I can't express the feeling, when I am talking about the Tibet, I am having the goosebumps, because the situation of the Tibet is very critical. The Chinese government is torturing the Tibetan people. They are just having so much armed in Tibetan region. Okay, when we hear the word Tibet, we just start assuming the harmony, the peace, and the meditation, and the His Holiness Dalai Lama. But Tibet is not like this. Tibet is much more than that. When you see the actual Tibetan culture, you will find there is something that cannot be ever denied by any biggest government of this world. The Tibetan culture is something that even after China has occupied the Tibetan, it is still alive. You can see, as you can see me wearing the Tibetan dress, you can feel that Tibetans and the Tibetan culture, the tradition is still alive even after the 60 years of illegal occupation of Chinese government. So जब हम बात करते हैं तिब्बत की, so it is like the food of Tibet, the folk dancing of the Tibet, and Tibet is whole a different country. It is not a part of China. It is different country, and it has they have their own flag. They have their own coins. They have their national anthem. They have their dress. They have everything a nation should have. They have everything to be called or to be known as a nation. But because of this illegal occupation of Chinese government, they are trying to make it the part of China, or they are just trying to erase the identity of Tibet. But the question is, why China is trying to occupy the Tibet? So one thing I want to say is the geographical structure of Tibet and the climate situation, the scenario of the Tibet is something that is different from the world. Tibet is known as the roof of the world, and it is the highest part of the world, which is among 4,900 meters above the sea. So this is the roof of world. So the Chinese government is just torturing the Tibetan people and the torture level is so high. जो आप लोगों को लगता है कि नॉर्मल टॉर्चर घरों में से नहीं निकल सकते, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. उस टॉर्चर से परेशान होकर अपनी आज़ादी के लिए 150 से ज़्यादा टिबेटियन ने अपने आप को आग लगा लिया था. एंड दे हैव सेल्फ इमुलेट देयर सेल्फ just because of the freedom of Tibetan region. And ये सब आपको कहीं गूगल पर, कहीं यूट्यूब पर नहीं मिलेगा, because everything is under surveillance of Chinese government. But you will get it by getting in contact with the Tibetan people. When I visited the Uprising Day exhibition in our university organized by the Tibetan community, I just get to know that Chinese government is killing millions and millions Tibetan just because they are questioning their identity. They are just questioning for their freedom. They are questioning for their rights. And the whole world talk about the human rights, the global climate strike and many other universal problems. But the major impact of these problems are taking place in Tibet. And nobody is going to talk about Tibet. Why? Just because of China. Because China is so powerful country. वो इतना ताकतवर है that no nation can stand. But no. Yes, we Indians can stand against the Chinese government and the illegal occupation of the China. And we will support the Tibetans till our last death. Because we have also fought for our freedom, independence in 1947. We got the freedom, and hoping that one day Tibet will get the freedom, we will. I'll go to travel the Tibet with my friend. So I'm hoping that Tibetans will get their freedom as soon as possible. And I am here as an Indian supporting the Tibetan with my big heart and hoping that जल्दी से तिबेट आज़ाद हो जाए ताकि उसकी जो खूबसूरत सीनरीज हैं, उसका जो ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप है, वहाँ मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ घूमने के लिए जा सकूँ. सो जस्ट try to get something new, something different from the Tibetan culture, and wearing this dress is something tremendously blessed feeling. Thank you so much. Lastly, I would like to thank Trezing Dawa for having me on his YouTube channel and wearing me so beautiful dress, and I'm so happy and thankful to him for making me feel like a Tibetan girl, and this is something outstanding. Thank you so much.